Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be trying out some products from Super Clean. Thanks for joining me. So Super Clean actually reached out to me, asked if I would be interested in trying out some of their products, and I said that I would. And they sent me these products here, and so today I'm going to be trying these out. Now they did send a sheet with it as well that tells you how to mix it as far as how much water versus the cleaning product. And it's really kind of dependent on what you're using it for. I'm going to be trying this on some various things. And they sent me some different products. So we've got the spray foam, we've got the original, and then they also sent me an all-wheel cleaner. So I'll be trying all of these out today. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so it does say that you can use this on brake parts, and it does say that you can use it, well, it says right on the, perfect for brakes, grills, and engines. It says you can remove rust with it as well. So, I've got this rusty old brake rotor. We'll just spray this on here. I'm going to let it sit for a little bit, wipe it off, see how it looks. It also says not to allow it to dry on the surface, which I have no intention of doing. I'll wipe this off here. And we'll see how well it cleans up this old brake rotor. And it does have some pretty big rusted spots on here, so not expecting a whole lot as far as removing that. You probably have to grind that down. I've actually got a fair amount of rust on my pliers here, my snap-on too, so a little upset about that, but we'll get that cleaned up as well. Got some other tools to clean up as well. All right. All right, so those cleaned up pretty good. Now I'm going to use this other degreaser. I'm going to head out in the driveway, and it says it can clean concrete, can use it on driveways. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to walk the driveway first, just kind of show you around, let you see what it looks like, because it's kind of a mess, a lot of oil that leaked out from different vehicles, whatever. So the driveway looks pretty terrible. We're going to use that to give it a shot, see if it'll clean that up.
Alright, so you can see there's a lot of oil on the driveway. It's from that old GMC truck that we have. That thing just leaks everywhere. And anytime I park it, doesn't matter where, it just leaks. So the driveway is in pretty bad shape. But we're going to go ahead and try out this super clean on the driveway. And I did spray a little bit on some of the harder spots before doing like a pre-rinse or pre-soak on the concrete here, so hopefully that helps. And then I did apply a little bit more to some of those tougher stains again on the concrete. Then we did use a scrub brush to work on that, and it was not easy. My wife helped me out with this here, you know, spraying it and soaking it and scrubbing it just to work that out. And then that's how it turned out. Could be a little better, you know, I'll probably apply it again, but looks better than it was.
And I'm going to try out this all-wheel cleaner as well. And I've got some pretty dirty looking wheels on my C300. So we'll go ahead and try this out. And the directions say that you want to rinse the wheel thoroughly with cold water. Coat the wheel surface with the super clean all-wheel cleaner. Allow it to work for about 30 seconds. And then if the wheels are really dirty, agitate with a soft brush or sponge. And then rinse the wheel. And then dry with a soft clean towel to prevent water spots.
Alright, and there's that first wheel done. I'm just going to hit those other 3 wheels. But I think that turned out really good.
And there you go. Those are the products that Super Clean sent me to try out. And I'm sure you'll be seeing these products on the channel from here on out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.